Okay, let's come back to France, where a local mayor is in a fight with visitors climbing the peak of Mont Blanc in the French Alps.
That's right. This row actually stemming after a British Royal Marines vet, Matthew Paul Disney, attempted to climb Mont Blanc recently with a 26-kilogram rowing machine on his back, and a feat he was trying to do to raise money for charity. Disney said he was actually unable to bring it back down because it was too heavy, and said he'll retrieve it at a later date, and has denied littering on the